Hey everybody, this is Gary Robbins. I'm the science writer from the Union-Tribune.
I'm Brian Keating, a professor of physics at UCSD.
Brian, there's some really big physics news. It has to do with the discovery of gravitational waves. Hard to understand, so let's begin by asking whether gravitational waves are like the waves from a boat. Do they come back from the bow, or what are they like?
Yeah, they're sort of like that. That's one way to think about it. There's no waves, there's no ocean in space, but space-time itself, unified by Albert Einstein 100 years ago, says that actually the fabric of reality, the space and time fabric, can be shaken up as mass. Exactly. As like massive objects roll across it or roll through it. Anything that has mass and has motion creates waves of gravity.
Can we see the waves of gravity with a telescope?
You can't see it with an ordinary telescope like a Mount Palomar. Instead, scientists had to build a very special type of telescope called an interferometer that shoots lasers back and forth. Those lasers, the pattern of interference of those lasers, told scientists about these most minute fractions of an inch that these telescopes were expanding, stretching, and squishing as waves of gravity go through the Earth itself.
So do you see the waves that way?
You see the waves by the difference in effect of the squishing and squashing of the entire Earth. And that's what's so fascinating. We're using the Earth as our telescope for the first time. Needless to say, scientists are just fascinated with this. We're so thrilled that we get to be alive for this discovery. It's opening up a new vista, a new way of looking at the universe, literally, and how we understand the universe, and it's going to be enhanced so dramatically by this new technology, this new tool invented and used here in the United States to make this fascinating discovery that will go down in history alongside of the discovery of Galileo, Isaac Newton, Einstein, and beyond.